Welcome to Visionary Designs, your ultimate destination for inspiration in home decor. Today, we're diving into the timeless allure of rustic farmhouse decor, where traditional charm meets modern sophistication. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more captivating content like this. Now, let's embark on this enchanting journey together. As we delve deeper, we'll uncover the secrets of creating a sanctuary in the midst of modern life. From the charm of weathered wood to the elegance of reclaimed materials, every detail tells a story of authenticity and warmth. Join us as we explore the art of farmhouse living, where beauty knows no bounds and every corner is filled with possibility. As you approach this farmhouse, you're immediately greeted by a sense of serenity and charm that permeates the air. The sprawling veranda beckons you to step into a world where time slows down and nature takes center stage. Every detail, from the rustic wooden flooring to the sun-kissed hues adorning the exterior, exudes warmth and tranquility. Surrounded by verdant hills and rolling meadows, this farmhouse is a sanctuary amidst the beauty of the countryside. The lush greenery creates a picturesque backdrop, while the gentle breeze carries the sweet scent of wildflowers, filling the air with a sense of calm. The outdoor space is thoughtfully designed to blend seamlessly with nature, offering a perfect balance of comfort and elegance. From the inviting seating areas to the charming accents scattered throughout, every element invites you to relax and unwind in the embrace of nature. Whether you're lounging on the veranda with a good book, taking a leisurely stroll through the gardens, or simply basking in the beauty of the surrounding landscape, this farmhouse offers a tranquil escape from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. It's a place where memories are made and moments are cherished, surrounded by the timeless allure of rustic charm. Enter the living room of this farmhouse, and you'll find yourself enveloped in an atmosphere of timeless charm and contemporary comfort. The expansive space is designed to be both inviting and stylish, with every element thoughtfully curated to create a harmonious blend of rustic warmth and modern sophistication. As you step inside, your eyes are immediately drawn to the soaring ceilings and exposed wooden beams overhead, adding a touch of rustic elegance to the room. Large windows line the walls, allowing natural light to flood the space and offering breathtaking views of the surrounding landscape. The seating area is the heart of the room, featuring sumptuous sofas and armchairs adorned with plush cushions and soft throws. It's the perfect place to curl up with a good book on a lazy afternoon, or gather with friends and family for lively conversations and laughter. In the center of the room sits a magnificent fireplace, its roaring flames casting a cozy glow and providing both warmth and ambiance on cool evenings. Above the mantel, A carefully curated collection of artwork and decor adds personality and character to the space, while built-in shelving units offer ample storage for books, photographs, and cherished keepsakes. Throughout the room, natural materials such as wood, stone, and leather create a sense of connection to the outdoors, while modern amenities such as sleek lighting fixtures and state-of-the-art entertainment systems add a touch of luxury and convenience. Whether you're unwinding with a glass of wine by the fire, entertaining guests with a movie night, or simply enjoying the peace and tranquility of your surroundings, the living room of this farmhouse offers a truly unforgettable experience, where every moment is infused with comfort, beauty, and joy. Welcome to the heart of this farmhouse, where culinary delights and shared meals come together in perfect harmony. Step into the kitchen, a space that seamlessly blends modern convenience with rustic charm. The open-plan layout beckons you to explore, with sleek countertops and ample storage, providing both style and functionality. As you enter, you're greeted by the warmth of natural wood accents and the soft glow of pendant lights that hang gracefully overhead. The expansive island, topped with rich butcher block, serves as the centerpiece of the room, a gathering place for family and friends to connect and create lasting memories. The kitchen is thoughtfully designed with the home chef in mind, boasting top-of-the-line appliances and innovative features that make meal preparation a breeze. From the state-of-the-art range to the spacious refrigerator, every detail is chosen with care to ensure both efficiency and elegance. But the true beauty of the kitchen lies in its connection to the outdoors. Floor-to-ceiling windows offer panoramic views of the surrounding countryside, filling the space with natural light and creating a sense of openness and tranquility. It's a place where you can watch the sunrise as you sip your morning coffee or enjoy the gentle breeze as you prepare dinner al fresco. Adjacent to the kitchen is the dining area, a cozy yet elegant space where family and friends can gather to share a meal and conversation. A rustic farmhouse table takes center stage, surrounded by a mix of comfortable chairs that invite guests to linger and savor each bite. As the day turns into evening, the soft glow of candlelight and the crackle of the fireplace create a warm and inviting ambiance, setting the stage for intimate dinners and lively gatherings alike. It's a space that effortlessly transitions from casual breakfasts to formal dinners, accommodating every occasion with grace and style. Together, the kitchen and dining area embody the essence of farmhouse living, where modern luxury meets timeless charm, and every meal is an opportunity to create cherished memories that will last a lifetime. After indulging in delightful meals and shared moments in the inviting kitchen and dining area, it's time to retreat to the serene comfort of the farmhouse bedroom. Step into this tranquil oasis where relaxation and rejuvenation await. As you leave the culinary delights behind and make your way to the bedroom, you'll find yourself entering a realm of tranquility and calm. The transition from the bustling energy of the kitchen to the peaceful ambiance of the bedroom is seamless, offering a welcome respite from the day's activities. Now, let's explore the sanctuary of the bedroom, where every detail is designed to soothe the senses and promote restful sleep. As you enter, you're greeted by the soft glow of ambient lighting and the gentle rustle of curtains in the breeze. creating a serene atmosphere that invites you to unwind and let go of the day's worries. The bedroom is a haven of comfort and style, with a plush king-sized bed taking center stage. Adorned with luxurious linens and fluffy pillows, it offers the promise of a restful night's sleep and the ultimate in relaxation. The headboard, crafted from reclaimed wood, adds a touch of rustic charm, while sheer curtains billow gently in the breeze, creating a dreamy ambiance that encourages deep relaxation. Adjacent to the bed, a cozy seating area provides the perfect spot to curl up with a good book or enjoy a moment of quiet reflection. Oversized armchairs and a small coffee table offer a comfortable and inviting space to unwind and recharge, while a soft area rug adds warmth and texture to the room. As you settle in for the evening, you'll be treated to breathtaking views of the surrounding countryside through floor-to-ceiling windows, allowing you to drift off to sleep amidst the beauty of nature. It's a sight that never fails to inspire awe and wonder, reminding you of the peace and tranquility that can be found in the embrace of farmhouse living. As you bid farewell to the serene comfort of the farmhouse bedroom, the allure of outdoor living beckons, promising a seamless transition from indoor relaxation to alfresco enjoyment. Step outside onto the porch, where the beauty of nature unfolds before you in all its splendor. As you step out onto the porch, you'll find yourself immersed in the tranquility of outdoor living. Here, surrounded by the sights and sounds of nature, you can truly connect with the beauty of the world around you. The transition from the cozy comfort of the bedroom to the expansive outdoor space is seamless, offering a welcome escape from the confines of indoor living. Step onto the porch, where the boundary between the mundane and the magical fades away, and the whispering wind carries secrets untold. This isn't just a porch, it's a portal to another world, a sanctuary where time slows down and the soul finds refuge amidst the chaos of modern life. As you step onto the weathered wooden planks, you'll feel a sense of reverence wash over you, as if you're entering a sacred space where the earth itself breathes and the trees hum with ancient wisdom. The porch isn't just a structure, it's a living, breathing entity with a heartbeat that echoes in every creak of the floorboards and every rustle of the leaves. Surrounded by towering trees and lush greenery, the porch offers a front row seat to the ever-changing spectacle of the natural world. In the spring, it's a riot of color and life, with delicate blossoms adorning the branches and the air alive with the sound of birdsong. In the summer, it's a cool oasis where the shade provides respite from the heat and the scent of flowers fills the air. In the fall, it's a tapestry of gold and crimson as the leaves blaze with the colors of the setting sun. And in the winter, it's a silent sentinel, standing guard against the chill of the frost and the bite of the wind. But the porch is more than just a place to observe nature. It's a space to connect with it, to become one with the rhythm of the seasons and the pulse of the earth. It's a place to gather with loved ones, to share stories and laughter, and create memories that will last a lifetime. It's a place to find solace in solitude, to reflect on the beauty of the world and the miracle of life. And beyond the porch lies the outside living space, a sprawling expanse of greenery and open sky that stretches as far as the eye can see. Here, amidst the rustling leaves and the chirping crickets, you'll find a haven of peace and tranquility, where the stresses of modern life fade away and the soul finds rest. As you gaze out over the landscape, bathed in the soft glow of twilight, you'll feel a sense of wonder wash over you. It's a feeling of being part of something greater than yourself, of being connected to the infinite beauty of the natural world. And as you breathe in the crisp, clean air, you'll know that you've found your place in the world, a place where the heart is free and the spirit soars. Thanks for embarking on this enchanting journey with us as we explored the timeless allure of rustic farmhouse decor. If you're craving more design inspiration, don't forget to explore our other captivating videos on visionary designs. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on all our latest releases. Until we meet again, may your spaces be filled with warmth, beauty, and endless possibilities.